Oh my goodness. Every time, literally every time I try to do this intro. Hi guys, it's Anissa. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be unboxing the March Boxyluxe, and I was actually very confused when I got my box because it's literally freaking huge. And I've been seeing all these videos of people who buy all 3 boxes. I can't figure out how to upgrade my box. There's some type of wait list. So I think besides on the month that I have Boxyluxe, I think I still just pay for the regular BoxyCharm. This month's box is worth $328, and I'm honestly not sure how much extra I pay for the Boxyluxe, and that happens 4 times a year, so every 3rd month. We have 8 different products in here, so I guess the best way to do it would just be to get started. First thing I see in here, I think this is an eyeshadow palette, and I think this is actually a Boxycharm eyeshadow palette, which is kind of iconic. So this is what it looks like. This retails for $39. And it features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades made specifically with our charmers in mind. These highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth textures for transitional day to night looks. My first initial thoughts are like, meh, but I feel like this is perfect for somebody like me who really, it's hard to get me out of my comfort zone. But then most of the shades are workable, and then you have like 2 or 3 shades that are just fun to play with. I actually really like the packaging. I think it's really sleek. It's very thin, beautiful. They send me more eyeshadow palettes than I can literally use. Next thing in here is this PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Oh, and this, it has a soft silicone bristle. So it's actually funny because my Clarisonic has not been working. I literally just bought it. So upset. I don't know if something's wrong with the battery or something's wrong with the charger. If you know how much Clarisonics are, they're not cheap whatsoever. This retails for $99. It is a smart facial cleansing device. 7,000 vibrations per minute. Firm and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. And what I like about the fact that this is silicone is that it's not gonna harbor or be a place where bacteria is going to have an easy time staying. Next product is this, it's Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Okay, so it's not actually for your bum. You can use it on your bum, but it's actually a body cream. It helps to visibly tighten the appearance of skin with an addictive pistachio and salted caramel scent. It provides 72 hours of hydration with a deliciously complex fragrance. Next thing I'm gonna grab, oh, we have some Murad. Okay, Boxycharm, she did not come to play. This is the Hydrodynamic Ultra Moisture for Eyes. This retails for $70. You heard me right. Helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness. I'm gonna tell you guys a little backstory. I actually plan on filming a video about my eyelash extensions, and you're probably saying, Anissa, what do your eyelash extensions have to do with this $70 eye cream? Well, I'm about to tell you. I have been getting eyelash extensions for probably about a year now. I just recently started to have an allergic reaction to the glue that they use. My eyelids have been super dry, so I've been putting a lot of extra moisturizer on my eyes, so maybe this will help. Oh, this is cute. This is Depura Lipman, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's nail polish. These 2 colors are Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop the Feeling. They retail for $19 together. I'm loving these 2 colors. This just screams summer and spring to me. Next thing, this is a Elizabeth Mott Smooth Shadow Eye Pencil Duo, and it has the colors Pearl and Raven. With this eyeliner pencil, they'll call you Lady Smooth, wearing this super creamy and lightly shimmery creamy eyeliner. This gel eye pencil glides on easily, feels like satin, and goes from day to night in 1 instant. And these retail for $40. This does not want to come. Alrighty. Oh, this is another gel liner. You guys are probably like, why does she sound so disappointed? Because I literally just updated my profile. It'll like list these products from 1 to 10, 1 being what you would want to receive the most and 10 being what you would want to receive the least. Eyeliner is literally on the bottom of my list because I don't know how to use it and I don't desire to know how to use it. And that's the tea. This retails for $21, and you can use this on your lips or your eyes. Wears up to 7 hours without having to reapply. It's a nice, pretty nude color. I haven't stepped into the lip liner game yet, but I guess I am now. So they're a duo, guys. I'm stupid. Together retail for $15. They just do the same thing. I think they're just different scents. Yep. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I do not like that. This is not gonna work, but the other one is cute. The last product we have in here, they did not have to go off like this. This is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the color Give It Up. And this retails for $25. It's gonna give a matte finish. Please be a nude, please be a nude, please be a nude. If you're not a nude, I'm gonna be so upset. Please be a nude, please be a nude. Oh, this is not a nude, sissy, at all. But I appreciate this because they're trying to push me out of my comfort zone. Okay, this could be a cute moment, but I like the packaging. All right, guys, that is it for this month's box. I think this is one of my favorite boxes because they gave me such an assortment of everything. I had a little bit of body care, a little bit of face, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.